Hello guys, I'm back again with new ChatGPT trending photo editing style. So this time I'm not just going to show you how you can use ChatGPT that ghibli trend freely with no limits. Also, I'm going to share some amazing prompts. By using that prompts, you can get results like this. So if you want result like this, then watch the video till the end. Let's start. First step, open Play Store app. Now click on search, and in search tab just type ChatGPT. Now click on first search result. Install this app. Now simply click on open. Click on continue. First we are going to sign in. For that, click on sign up. If you don't have any existing account, just click on sign up. You can just click on continue with Google, and you can log in with your Google account. I'm selecting my Google account. After signing with Google account, now next step, now we are going to add our photo. For that, just click on this plus symbol. Click on photos. Now select the photo you want to add this effect. For example, I'm selecting this one. After selecting photo, click on ask anything and type convert this photo in pixar style, and just click on this arrow, and AI started working on your picture. It's loading. By the way guys, if you're watching our videos and if you haven't like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel yet, then do it guys. It helps me a lot to make more videos for you. Okay, it's loading. Till then I will answer your all questions. First, why ChatGPT is not working? So there is heavy traffic on ChatGPT. That's why it's not available right now. You can try after 5 or 10 minutes. Second, why you are not getting realistic results? So guys, choose prompts very wisely. Copy my prompts as it is. Don't add anything in that. So you will get 100% realistic results. Third, how you can get unlimited pictures? Yes guys, there is some limit. Your limit will renew after 24 hours. So till then you can use another Google account, or you can just try, or you can just watch our other similar tutorials where I have told you how you can get same results by using other apps too. And fourth, these are some prompts you can use to get amazing results. Okay, and here is our final result. You can see before one and the after one, before one and the after one. It looks amazing. It looks so realistic. And to save the picture, just tap on photo and simply click on save.